Load your family into the 2018 Jeep Wrangler. This two-door, four-passenger convertible is waiting for you to take home. It's equipped with tons of terrific amenities, but it won't break your budget. Like heated seats, front and rear reading lights, a rear window wiper, heated door mirrors, skid plates, remote keyless entry, and cruise control. Jeep also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, integrated rollover protection, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.